Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you denim baskets ideas. So I hope friends you like my video, so please subscribe to my so let's start today videos friends. Today we will make a beautiful denim basket using our jeans. This is a very easy and useful craft. First take our denim jeans. Do it slowly and neatly. Now start making a circle. This will be the base of the basket. Keep adding top in a round shape. Use glue to fix it. When the base is ready, start from the sides, so upward. Slowly press gently to keep the shape. You can make it small or big. Now your basket shape is ready. You can decorate it, add lace pattern or flowers, and friends, and the very next idea is let it dry completely. Your denim basket is ready. You can use it for storage, makeup, or toys at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more latest updates of viewers. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks.